Ito ay yung mga commentator natin kumpleto ngayon. Si Sir Angeles, si Sir Martin.
Hello, hello.
Oh, hello. So ano po masasabi sa laban natin na featured fight of the day?
Mainit, mainit.
Mainit oh.
Okay, on way.
Beautiful.
Lechong way.
Yeah, si
Lechong Way.
Lechong Way.
Lechong way po yung naka-red. Ayan na po. Oh, what a hike by Lechong way.
Okay.
Oh, what a drop cross court. What a drop cross court by Lechong way.
Lechong Way.
Lechong way. Oh. Bang. Oh, what a drop by Lechong way. Oh, what a backhand. What a receive by Lechong way.
This event was brought to you by
MotoVlogs.
Cross court mga
MotoVlogs, pangmatagal.
nice drop.
Okay,
What a drop by
ever-ready
likes.
battery. Ang battery na tumatagal ng 10
What a drop
taon.
by likes. Received by Alvin.
Okay,
Service
Siyempre,
ace.
ganyan kami.
Likes with the serve.
Free court to.
Free court.
Oh,
Mas masarap
what a smash by Lechong way. What a receive by Princess. Princess with a high clear. Oh, what a drop by Lechong way.
Tara, shot natin.
Tara.
Timing muna kami. Naglalaro lang.
Game lang tayo papatayin sa atin.
Available part bigla eh. Ang lupot naman ng commentator namin sa
Watcher nga lang ako, spectator lang.
Lechong way.
Hiramin muna namin camera.
Go lang po.